Welcome back to Entertaining Through the Seasons with J. Lohr. I'm Cynthia Lohr, and with me is Jeff Meyer, our Director of Winemaking. You know, Jeff, growing up in California, I feel like springtime is when everything kind of comes alive once again.
Just to echo what you said, it's just really our first opportunity to entertain outside.
And Mother's Day, certainly I know a lot of moms love Chardonnay, particularly our Arroyo Vista Chardonnay.
And the Arroyo Vista is really, for me, it's the Burgundian California interpretation of a white Burgundy. So it's a lot about the winemaking, and for Chardonnay, it's a very transparent varietal. The hand of what we do from a winemaking standpoint really shows in this wine. So that barrel fermentation character layered in very nicely with this really pretty, some say tropical fruit, but also a little bit of citrus, lemon, and maybe a little bit of stone fruits like nectarine or peach in that wine as well. Tell
us about the dish that you chose to pair with Arroyo Vista Chardonnay.
Sure, this is a really simple dish. It's Sicilian chicken with olives and capers. It's a single pan dish, again, my favorite thing. But there's, the lemons are baked beforehand, which really kind of intensifies the flavor, and the olives and the capers are really these little nice flavor nuggets that really complement that bright citrusy character, all sort of finished off in a little bit of a butter reduction sauce. But it's a really nice pairing for that richly textured Arroyo Vista Chardonnay.
Beautiful, I can't wait to try. Capers and olives among my favorite condiments. Cheers,
cheers to you.
Crisp and balanced still, the Chardonnay.
Yeah, that's that nice, cool climate acidity that you get.
Jeff, thank you so much for another truly delicious dish. And for today's recipes and more food and wine pairings, we invite you to check out Lohr Style at jlohr.com.